And seo Dave Lena Linga Burke and Croaky tá Laoch na hImeartha Shane McGuigan. Shane, to overcome what was a pretty sluggish start this afternoon, how important was it to get the win and to maintain that 100% record in Division 4?
Yeah, it was very good now. Like you said, Leitrim pressed us very, very hard in the first half. First 10 minutes, they were all over us and they were the better team in the first half. We knew if we had continued the way that in the second half, Leitrim would have won the match. So it's a very important one for us now. We know they don't want to be down in Division 4, so this is good momentum going into the championship.
It was a game that was played in great spirit, I felt, by both teams really going for the win. Leitrim probably needed a goal just to really put some doubts into your heads. So in terms of, say, the defensive effort by Derry here this afternoon, how impressed were you?
I was very impressed now. Like you said, that their defence has been good. Maybe the last couple of games we've conceded a couple of goals in each game, so we weren't happy with that, and we knew we had to work on that. So there was a lot of emphasis putting on our defensive shape this while and not conceding a goal against a very strong Limerick forward line. That's one thing that we zoned in on their forward line, and I think our defenders in the second half came out on top there. Brenton, Paul McNeil, Carl really got on top and helped drive us forward in that second half.
Next stop is Tyrone and Healy Park in the Championship. Having played Division 4 all year, 8 wins from 8, heading up now with confidence, I'm sure, but realistically, what chances of beating a Division 1 team and a top Division 1 team in a few weeks' time?
Look, we know we'll be going in as underdogs into that game. Tyrone they're All-Ireland finalists last year. They have star-studded players all over the pitch, so all we can do is try our best. Well, like I said, it's good momentum coming into the Championship. We have still a lot of improvements to make, and you never know on Championship Day, so we'll see.
Well done, Shane. Cóhardachas is tú Laoch na hImeartha agus Damien O'Neill and seo Harchan Allianz of Roinn Gradam Laoch na hImeartha Shane McGuigan.